Hi children, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Today's class we are going to learn about letter writing. Okay, do you know how many types of letters are there? Okay, let's see about it. One is formal, another one is informal. Okay, let's see about formal letter first. So which is written for the official purpose, for example business or professional purposes, and it should be simple language. The next one, informal letter, which is written for the personal communication, and it should be casual or emotional tone. Okay children, let's see the format of the formal letter. First we should write sender address, second one we should write date, and third one we should write receiver's address, and then fourth one salutation. So note here, if not sure about the gender, you should always write sir alone. Okay, next one, subject. So in the subject you should write the content of the letter within 6 to 8 words. Okay, next one, body of the letters. So in the body of the letter you should write minimum 3 paragraph and maximum 5 paragraph. So in the first paragraph you should write introduction, I mean introduce yourself and the problem briefly, and then second paragraph you should write the main content, for example the causes and effects of the problem, and the next third paragraph you should write the conclusion, I mean you should suggest for solving the problem. After that you should write thanking you. So after that you should write the complimentary clause, yours faithfully or truly. So after that you should write your signature. Okay, so and then later only you should write your name within the bracket. Okay children, let's see the sample question. For example, you are Varsha or Varun. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper complaining about the irregular and inadequate bus service in your area. Okay, so listen here. So this is sender's address, so you should write like that. The next one, date, you should write full date, and the next one, receiver's address, you should write like that. And the next one, salutation, you should write sir, and then after that subject, so the subject must be 6 to 8 words. Okay, okay, next one, body of the letter. I am Varsha Varun, a resident of sector 45 Santikar. Through the column of your esteemed daily, I wish to draw attention of the transport authorities towards the hardships that the residents of sector 45 have been experiencing on account of the inadequate bus service. Every morning a large number of people take bus at the main bus stop of this area to reach their workplace. Besides, there are a large number of students who travel on buses to reach their respective schools and colleges, but the existing bus service is far from meeting the requirements of the public. Most of the buses that touch this spot are packed with passengers from other areas by the time they reach sector 45 bus stop, so they can accommodate very few passengers at this stop. The situation is very worse at peak hours when most of the buses do not even stop here, and as a result people reach late at their designated places. The authorities are requested to introduce new bus services to start from this area, as it would be a huge help for the public. I hope you will publish my letter in your esteemed newspaper and bring this serious problem to the authorities' attention. And then later you should write thanking you. So after that you should write the complimentary clause, yours faithfully. After you should write your signature, and then later you have to write your name within the bracket. Okay children, let's see the informal letter and its format. So first one thing, you should write sender's detail, for example name and address. And the next second one, you should write date. You should write the full date like this. And the next third one, salutation. You should write the salutation like this: dear mother, dear friend, or dear besties, like that you have to write. And the next fourth one, body of the letter. So in this body of the letter you have to write your actual message. The next fifth one, complimentary clause. In that you should write yours lovingly or sincerely, like that. And then final one, you should write signature and your name within the bracket. So already we saw in the formal letter like that. Okay, let's see the sample question. Write a letter in about 100 words thanking your uncle for sending valuable gift. You are Naveen or Nalini, living at Gandhi Road, Salem. Okay, so this is sender's address, and the next one is date, and the next one is salutation, my dear uncle, like that. And the next one, the body of the letter. It is always a pleasure to hear from you. Last Friday was my 12th birthday. The same day I received your gift of a book along with your blessings. Thank you very much for this valuable gift. I have not read the entire book, but the little that I have read is highly useful and entertaining. I feel that these are the things that matter most. I'm sure the book will remain with me all my life. I thank you once again for the kind gift. And you should write yours affectionately. I mean, you should write here the complimentary clause, and then later you should write your signature. After that you should write your name within the bracket. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Thanks for watching. Okay, I will send a question after this video. You have to complete and send to me. Thank you.